Here comes the CFMOTO Papio Racer. This is going to more racing. In the champion blue. There's Cal. Righto, we're just going to unbox the CFMOTO X Papio Racer in the Aspar edition. Limited edition. It's going to more racing, and they're going to use it for their veterans buddy racing thing that they do, helping out veterans get on the track. So let's have a look. This is a 125cc. Super cool looking bit of gear. I know that light's flickering. Woohoo, love that colour. Oh, that's far. Woohoo! Holy shit, look at that. Upside down floor. Racing tracks. What does racing tracks mean? Probably means tracks, doesn't it? Where you race, I'd say.
It's probably Chinese English.
Why would you stick it on the back of the bike? Anyway, looks cool. Got the number 1.
Hey, look at me.
Oh, look at that.
It's got a float with the back wheel.
Racing tracks, more fun. Talent trophy.
That's
cool.
To adjust the chain. So it locks in. You'll see it when we get it out. So
Those headlights, how cool's that? Got little wings on her.
yeah, I just see how you go. I might just cut it up.
So that's where you need a professional, because I get in there and touch it and I fuck it up. So
Let's just.
would have fallen over.
I don't know.
There's the keys on the peg, so you don't lose them.
So 5 minutes. Yeah, okay. So we'll just leave it. So what we do, all that comes out like so.
Look at him go.
So, spacer.
Which way are you going? Forward, back?
I should have tilted, spun the like that,
Yeehaw.
so I can see the spacer and I know it's there. Right?
There we go. So what I'll do, I'll come back when she's all done. And that is the X Papio Aspar version. Look at that. This is it done. Mate, what a cracking little bike. She's got bar end mirrors there. It's got a new glass screen on it. Have a look at the setup. Gear indicator, speed 8 kilometres, fuel gauge, time. What else can you fit on there? Rev counter, horn, high-low beam indicators, hazard lights. This is a cracking little bike. Have a listen to it. There's the exhaust up here. Now this one's going to more racing, north side of Brisbane. Good bunch of blokes. They're going to have this as their promo. They're going to have it on the track. Support Army vets. Give them a like, subscribe. Give me a like, subscribe. And yeah, let's go. Woohoo! Oh, that's her. We'll take it for a blat round the block. She's all ready to go. I'll take her for a spin. That's the X Papio in the Aspar limited edition. Come and get one before they run out. See ya.